My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija shine your eye housemate Queen wey post her engagement today. A lot of things don sup for her with her baby daddy, and ex-BB Naija housemates don come out to come fight for her. So earlier today, Queen come out come post her good news about her engagement with her long-term boyfriend, and her baby daddy don come out to come react. So wetin sup be say dis man wey be say be her baby daddy, dey say him na skit maker, dey say him name na Lord Lamba, and the guy him na person wey be say he never show him face since dis girl born dis pikin. Even after she born the baby, we no hear anything about dis guy. On the pikin birthday, the three of them, Queen, the Lamba and the small baby, na three of them na do photo shoot, but Lamba no post the pikin for a page. Wetin be her name, dis Queen on the other hand post only herself and the pikin on the birthday. So e come turn out say today, after immediately she announce her engagement online, na the guy come out to come post the pikin, to come show love publicly. Him come out come post dis video, the video wey be say he and him pikin dey together, come still carry the pikin passport come post am to show everybody say see o, dis pikin wey una dey talk say na the baby daddy na engage the mama, so the pikin na my pikin, no be another man pikin. E come show us the pikin passport, see the pikin picture, see the name, e surname na dey for the pikin page. So netizens come dey come out dey call out the guy to say, guy, why you go behave like dis? E come be say na today wey be say dis girl come out to post dis thing, na you come dey behave like dis. Na today na you wan announce say na you be the father of the pikin. We still dey talk dat one, na so we come dey see court paper say him don sue the girl, which means dis engagement wey be say Queen do with her fiance no be today na dey engage. Dem don engage a long time ago, because if you check the court paper wey be say the guy release, you go see say na 16 of February. And from the, if you read am, because me I no fit read am for here, so una fit take una time go through the court paper, you go see say the guy dey try to talk to say the girl leave the pikin for Nigeria, travel go get engaged to another man, which means no be today they do the engagement. The particular baby daddy dey complain to say Queen dey travel, instead of her to take permission from him wey be the baby daddy, she no take permission from her. Instead, she carry the pikin go give people, make people take care of the pikin for her, come travel go see her boyfriend for London, and for there she come go engage. But the news wey be say we dey hear online be say it's like this Lamba guy don engage Queen before. E just be like a gaslighter. Him tell her to say go marry her before, na im make her come get belle wey be say she get. Come turn out say the guy just dey post her since. So e come turn out say another man come from nowhere, come collect wetin him no value. Na im the problem come take start. So e get some selected parts of the court paper wey be say I go just read out for una, the small ones wey I cut come out. So for here they say an order granting right of access to the respondent to visit this place, I no see that side, an agreed place within a reasonable time. Another order, it as in wetin dey request, that the applicants who have been responsible and the main ten ance of the girl to contribute one thing. Another one, the respondent left princess, that is the respondent wey dey say dey talk na Queen leave her pikin with some people in Nigeria and traveled out of Nigeria to engage to another in the United Kingdom. You go just know say the man is a very pained man. You see, and the way wey dey talk dey engaged to another, you just know say he's very angry. Because he come say the applicant who has been providing financial support to the respondent for the feeding and main ten ance of princess was refused access to the child. Now im dey claim to say the girl carry the pikin give another person, travel out go enjoy herself, e no even gree tell am to say him wey be the papa, see where I keep my pikin o. So e come continue come say it is in the best interest of the said child that she be placed under the custody of the applicant in order for her to have a decent upbringing and for her to be well catered for. No doubt say Lamba get money, but Queen on the other hand, she's not from a poor family. From wetin we dey hear online, we dey hear say Queen come from family of politicians too, so she's not poor. Even from the way she even look sef, you go know say that girl, she's not a poor person. So with all the whole gbasgbos wey everything dey go on, some BB Naija fans, BB Naija ex-housemate come out to come support Queen. First of all, na Angel. As we all know, Angel na girls girl, she no dey tolerate, she no dey pre ten d. If you come for her, if you do anyhow, she go give you back to back. So Angel come say you didn't post that beautiful girl since. It's today you decided to. Some men can be rude. Exactly o, dem no want you o, but once dem see say you don dey move on to another person, na that time their eye go come dey where you dey. Selfish pipu. So another BBN housemate wey be say come show support for her na Yvonne from the Big Brother Titan season. So she come say not the passport page, a clear representation of gaslighting plus witchcraft. So one person come reply come say honestly couldn't even post the daughter on her birthday after doing a photo shoot with her, but suddenly remember he's a dad today. This one Yvonne come talk say do you get, like he hasn't acknowledged or posted her on or before her birthday. All of a sudden you are posting her the same day your daughter's mom gets engaged. Not just a clown, an entire circus laugh at loud. There's a difference between sperm donor and a father. Make women dey careful of who dem dey spread their leg for, unless say you no want your pikin or you no want the papa for your pikin life. This Lord Lamba no try at all. The guy just dey very childish and immature. You give her belle, you no marry her. Since all this time, you no marry this girl, nothing. Some people go come talk say na everybody wey give you belle go marry you. Who you, if you give am belle before, who do you want make e marry am for you? Who you want make marry am for you? If you know you are not ready for commitment, do not give anybody belle. No come dey speak English for my ear, no try am. I hope court go settle dem well because me I trust Queen no be anyhow person. So I believe say she go fight for her daughter. I dey see some people dey talk say make she just dash the man the pikin. You think it's easy to carry your pikin just dash person? Look at the guy sleep. You go know talk say na Igbo smoker. He come carry dada join. I hope Queen go fight for her right, the right of her daughter and her happiness because she deserve to be happy. This Queen situation na a lot of encouragement for all those single mothers wey be say dey feel say their own don end, their own don oti gbaje. No matter who you be, no matter the age wey you be, you go fit still find love. No sell yourself short. Una take care, una bye.